Hello, we're going to work on lesson 83 today. Before you start, you want to make sure that you've read page 532 through page 534. While I'm going through this video, you can pause and rewind if I'm going too fast, so that way you can slow it down or re-go over things if you need to. We're going to go ahead and start with problem A. This lesson's about sales tax today, and problem A is on page 535. So problem A says Serena bought 3 pairs of socks. So I'm going to write 3 socks. Let's keep track. Each pair was priced at $2.24. So price equals $2.24. The sales tax was 34 cents. So tax was, and I'm going to switch this to dollar format from the 34 cents that's in the problem, so I don't make any mistakes. I'm thinking that's like $34 or something. So I'm going to write 34 cents like the dollar above it. Altogether, how much did Serena spend on socks? Well, she bought 3 pairs, and each pair was $2.24, and the sales tax was 34 cents. So we're going to we're going to multiply this 224 here times 3. So if we do $2.24, we're going to multiply that times 3 because she bought 3 pairs of socks. So we've got 3 times 4 is 12. We carry our 10 ones to the tens column. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more 10 is 7 tens. We're going to put our decimal here. We want to keep it in the same spot. It goes down there. And then we go 3 times $2 is $6. Now I made a mistake here. We're not dealing with tens. That was 10 cents for the carry here. These are pennies. These are dimes, and these are dollars. Okay, so we'll write that. Pennies, dimes, and dollars. All right. And we also have to add the sales tax. So her total sales tax was 34 cents. So we're just going to take this $6.72 and we're going to add the sales tax. So the sales tax was 0.34 or 34 cents. Okay, and we've got 2 pennies plus 4 pennies is 6 pennies. 7 dimes plus 3 dimes is 10 dimes, which is the same as a dollar. So we're going to put a 0 there and carry the 10 dimes. And then $6 plus $1 is $7. So the total price she spent was $7.06. It's a 2-part word problem. Okay, let's go ahead and go to B. B says Hakeem paid $10 for a tape that cost $6.95. So he started with $10. So we'll write start with $10. And the cost was $6.95. The sales tax was 49 cents. So we're going to change that 49 cents to dollars. So we're going to write tax was 0.49. So it's 49 cents. How much money should Hakeem get back in change? Well, he gave the clerk a $10 bill. So we need to first find out what the cost was altogether. So $6.95 was the cost of the tape. So we're going to write that over here, $6.95. And then he also has to pay the sales tax, which is 0.49 or 49 cents. We're going to add those together. Put our decimal up there so I don't make a mistake. And we've got 9 pennies plus 5 pennies, that's 14 pennies. We're going to put 4 pennies here. 10 pennies is the same as a dime, so we're going to carry that to the dimes column. And then 9 dimes plus 1 dime is 10 dimes, and 4 more dimes is 14 dimes. 4 of those dimes we'll keep here. And we'll carry 10 of those dimes to the dollar column, because 10 dimes is a dollar. We're going to put our decimal place. Keep that decimal there. And then we're going to add our dollars. So we've got $6 plus $1 is $7.44 is how much he spent. Now he gave the clerk a $10 bill, so we need to find out what his change is going to be. And the way we can do that is we can take the $10 and we can subtract the cost of the tape with the tax, which is $7.44. So we need to subtract that. Okay, so I can't take 4 pennies away from no pennies, so I'm going to borrow from the dimes, which I can't because there's no dimes. So I'm going to borrow from my dollars. I can't. So I'm going to borrow from the $10 column, which turns the $10 column into 0 tens. And now we have 10 $1 bills, because 10 $1 bills is the same as $10 bill. But we're going to borrow one of those, so we're going to turn that into a 9, and we're going to turn the dollar we borrowed into 10 dimes. Now I can borrow for my 10 dimes, which leaves me with 9 dimes, and the 10 dimes equals 10 pennies. So now I can subtract. So 10 pennies minus 4 pennies is 6 pennies. 9 dimes minus 4 dimes is 5 dimes. Put our decimal here. Don't forget the decimal. And then $9 minus $7 is $2. So he should get $2.56 in change. Okay, we have one more for you. This is C. Don't be intimidated. I know this is a really big one, but I'm going to walk you through it. It's not as bad as it looks. At a no sales tax sale at the hardware store, Beatrice is deciding which of 2 paintbrushes to buy. One costs $3.99, so we have a $3.99 brush. And a better one costs $4.49, so we have a $4, oops, let's fix that dollar sign. We have a $4.49 brush. Beatrice has a $5, she has, so we're going to write has, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $20 bill. If she buys one of the brushes and pays with one of the bills, what combinations are possible and how much will she get back in change? And it says use a tree diagram to find the combinations. So a tree diagram is kind of like, it just expands. So I'm going to show you how to make one of those. We're going to start with, over here on the left side, we're going to put $5. And then we will do, let's see here, let's do it $10. And then we'll skip 2 lines and we'll do the $20. Okay. Now, with the $5 bill, she could buy either brush. One is $3.99 and one is $4.49. With the $10, and I'm going to switch colors so this doesn't get too confusing. For the $10 brush, she could also spend $3.99 or $4.49 on either of those brushes. And then we'll do the purple for the last one. And let's drop this down just a tiny bit. There we go. And for the $20, she could also buy a $3.99 brush or a $4.49 brush. Okay, so now we need to find out what it says here. What combinations are possible and how much change should she get back? So for $3.99, let's go back to green. For $3.99, we'll just do this. So that's almost $4. So $4 to $5 is $1, and then there's one more penny. So her change would be $1.01. For the $4.49, that's 50 cents plus 1 penny, so that would be 0.51 cents change. With the $10 bill, switch to pink. With the $10 bill, we already know that with the $5 bill, her change was $1.01. It's right here. We can add that to $5 because $10 is $5 more, so her change would be $6.01. And for $4.49 brush, $4.49 brush, it would be $5 more than 51 cents right here. So it would be $5.51. And then finally, let's go back up here to purple. And $20 is 10 more dollars than $10. So I could just add $10 onto these totals. So for $3.99, she would have she would have $16.01, because that's 10 more dollars than the $6.01. And then for the 449, it would use this one here. 10 more dollars than that would be $15.51. And that is your answer. So if you look at it sideways, it kind of looks like a tree. You start with the trunk over here. These are the trunks. And then this rest of this are like the foliage or the branches. So these branches go up, and then we've got some leaves and stuff. So that's your tree diagram. All right. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Sales tax is important. You have to pay for it in North Dakota, so you might want to figure out how it works. Have a good, oh, let's draw a little smiley face to say goodbye with one hair. Have a good day.